My name is Joe. I'm a senior HVAC technician at Guaranteed Service. Let's talk about the sequence of operation of a furnace. First, there's a heat call from the thermostat. Then the control board does a safety check on the limit switches and the rollout switches. After that, the inducer motor comes on. A pressure switch must close to go to the next step. The switch is there to prevent operation of the furnace if correct venting air pressures are not detected. Then the hot surface igniter begins getting hot, or the direct spark igniter begins to spark. Then the gas valve opens. The furnace lights, the flame sensor senses the flame, the heat exchanger gets very hot. 30 seconds to a minute later, the blower motor comes on and pushes the air through the heat exchanger, heating the return air to the desired temperature. Once the thermostat is satisfied, the burner shuts off. When you want to make sure that your heating system is working at peak efficiency and safely, give us a call right here at 1-800-GUARANTEED and you will become a customer for life. Guaranteed.